boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab here with Rema Bnxn Rema. That's the song we're gonna look at, and we're gonna do that with capo on the 2nd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So put that on, and we have 4 very easy chords. So capo on 2nd. Let's go over the E minor, D, A minor, and C. Starting with E minor, that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E, and final chord is C. And that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming together. We're gonna start with E minor. And by the way, this is the chord progression throughout the song. Same order as we learned the chord E minor, D, A minor, C. One string around goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, up, clap, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. That's the first part, and then you have a short pause, and then comes part 2, which will be just down, clap, down. So if you combine the 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap, down. Pretty easy, huh? Now let's go into the actual song, and guess what? You're just gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, E minor, D, A minor, C. You just roll that over and over again from now till the end like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.